PGS Grip System by Pacific is a unique opportunity to replace the different handle size with a precise PGS grip system and kit. PGS is a injection molded unit, and we're going to show you quickly today how to remove and install properly. First step would be to remove the grip and the grip band from the racket, as in any normal situation if you're replacing the grip. Once you have the grip removed, you would remove the staples from the butt cap, which is a standard procedure everyone is accustomed to, which then has us with the racket with the PGS grip. Remove the butt cap staples, and our PGS tube is a solid injection molded piece. You'll need, if you refer to the tool list that you need in our attached file, you'll need a sharp utility knife, which we will use to remove the PGS grip. There's no chance that you can save this. It's firmly fit, so you will be cutting this away from your body and removing it. Simply cut through the tube. You can remove then the grip tube and the centering collar. Inspect your shaft peg of the racket to make sure there's no burring or any other paint or anything that will be blocking the installation. Next step is to take your PGS grip kit. The kit comes complete with all parts needed, being the new butt cap, the correct sizing in the PGS tube, and the centering collar. All three being in the exact size needed for the replacement. Today we would remove the grip size 3 and we're going to install a grip size 4. The first step is we take our centering collar, which is critical in allowing the tube to be a perfect placement onto the shaft handle of the racket. Simply with the fitted pieces down, insert the centering collar onto the shaft of the racket, typically about halfway up like this. The next step is very critical on replacing of the tube. There's one slot on the tube. Nowhere else on the tube do you find this slot. This slot must be installed up, meeting the centering collar. The slot must go on first. Simply begin the tube, which has perfect symmetrical centering lines as well. And this tube is a very tight fit. So you will also need, as you can see in your tool requirement list, a rubber mallet. Being that the tube is an injection molded plastic piece, it's very durable. Bring the tube up close to where your centering collar is, making sure that all of your centering pieces of the centering collar start to fit into the tube. Being that the tube comes in the precise length needed for each Pacific racket, you'll know when you've reached the correct length of the racket when the end of the tube hits the end of the frame, giving you the perfect fit, the perfect length. All that's then required is the installation of the butt cap, which is a normal injection molded butt cap. Install your butt cap as you would normally, and adhere the butt cap with 4 staples. Pacific recommends that you only use a quality pneumatic air stapler or an electric nail stapler using the short narrow head crown staples. Attach the 4 small bevels. Inspect it, make sure everything is adhered correctly. Re-grip the racket now. Using a quality new PACIFIC, we recommend the Master's Grip, which is the original grip with this racket, for your customer, and you have installed a PGS system and are ready to go.